I'm sitting in a Dacia Sandero Mark II, and a lot of people ask where these cars were made. So where was the assembly of these vehicles? And actually, the assembly of the vehicles was mainly in Romania. So for Europe, for the UK, these cars were mainly made in Romania. And later, about in 2018, I believe, the production moved also to Algeria. So some cars after 2018, they may be produced in Algeria or in Romania. And also for local markets, this Dacia Sandero Mark II was produced in Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. But those cars produced in Latin America, they weren't imported to Europe, so only for local markets. And when it comes to the Dacia Sandero Mark III, the production lines are only in Romania and Morocco for now, but in Romania they produce only Stepway, while in Morocco they produce hatchbacks. So if you have a hatchback Mark III, it's produced in Morocco. If it's the Stepway, it's produced in Romania.